The formula or concept required to solve the problem is parallelogram law. According to the parallelogram law, if P and Q are the two forces acting on a body and the angle between the two forces P and Q is alpha, then the resultant force will be identified like this. Construct a parallelogram by considering this P and Q are the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. How it can be done? By drawing a line parallel to P from Q and by drawing another line parallel to Q from P, then it forms a parallelogram. In this parallelogram, the major diagonal R will becomes the resultant force. And that resultant force is given by the equation R is equal to square root under P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha. Let the angle between one of the force P and the resultant force R is beta. And this beta is given by the equation sin beta is equal to Q by R into sin alpha. Similarly, let the angle between the resultant force and the force Q is gamma. And this gamma is given by sin gamma is equal to P by R into sin alpha.